Mom, look! I got an A on my test today.
That's amazing, Sophie. I'm so proud of you.
Oh?
Great job, kiddo. Keep it up.
I had a test too today.
That's nice, Ethan. Put your bag in your room first, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Why does it feel like no one notices me?
Ethan, look! I got a gold star sticker.
That's really good, Sophie.
Come here, sweetie. I'll make your favorite pancakes today.
I wish someone asked me about my day too.
Hey, you've been quiet all day. What's going on?
Nothing, just tired.
You don't look tired. You look upset.
Do you ever feel like you're there, but no one really sees you? Yeah, sometimes that feeling sucks. That's exactly how I feel at home.
Mom, can you help me with my homework, please? Of course, Sophie. Come sit next to me.
Mom, I need help too.
Just wait a little, Ethan. Let me finish with Sophie first.
Okay, I'll wait.
It's so quiet in here. Mom used to help me like this before. Maybe I just grew up. Why does it feel like love is louder for her? Or maybe I just don't ask for it anymore.
Ethan, can you play with me for a little while?
Not now. I'm busy.
You always say that. You never play anymore.
Because no one has time for me anyway!
Ethan, what do you mean by that?
You always give your time to Sophie.
That's not true.
Then why do I feel invisible every single day?
Ethan, talk to us calmly.
I am calm. Just been quiet for too long.
I didn't know you were feeling this way. Because no one asked me.
We thought you were handling things well on your own.
Just because I don't complain hurt.
I'm sorry, Ethan. Sometimes we give more attention where we think it's needed.
But that doesn't mean we love you any less.
Then I need to feel it, not just hear it.
You're right. We should have shown it better. I'm really sorry I didn't notice your silence. I didn't know how to say it.
Ethan, I didn't know you felt this way. I'm sorry too.
It's not your fault.
We all need to do better as a family.
From now on, we will spend time together. All of us.
And we will listen more carefully.
Family means no one feels left out.
And love should be shown, not just assumed.
We love you, Ethan. I love you too.
Sometimes the quiet ones feel the deepest pain. Not all emotions are loud. But when we truly listen, we can heal even the silent hearts.